pool water turning green? You gotta act fast to keep your swim spot chill and algae free. Alright, so first off, crank up your chlorine levels because that's the main thing keeping your pool clean. If your pool water's green, it usually means algae is partying in there, and chlorine is like the bouncer. Next, grab a pool brush and scrub down the walls and floor to knock off any algae clinging on. Don't forget to vacuum the bottom afterward to suck up all the dead stuff. Make sure your pool filter is running at least 8 to 12 hours a day since that helps clear out debris and algae spores. Clean or backwash your filter regularly too, so it doesn't get clogged and lose its mojo. Test your water with a reliable pool test kit to keep track of chlorine, pH, and alkalinity levels. If you want to stop the green stuff from coming back, use an algaecide weekly as a preventive move. Lastly, skim the surface daily to remove leaves and dirt that feed algae growth. One of the biggest mistakes people make when their pool water turns green is ignoring the filter system. A clogged or dirty filter just won't do its job, so clean it or replace it on time to keep water clear. Another common issue is not balancing the pool's pH levels properly. If pH is off, chlorine can't work right, so always keep pH between 7.2 and 7.6. Lastly, people often underchlorinate their pool or don't shock it enough after heavy use or rain. Boosting chlorine levels quickly helps zap algae before it spreads. BigHomeProjects.com makes life easier by connecting homeowners with trusted local contractors who actually know their stuff. Plus, if you're a contractor looking for work, it's a solid place to find new clients and grow your business without the hassle.